Hello everybody, this is Abraham, and what we got here is a 2002 Lexus SC430. This car was a baby for those that held it. They took care of it. I mean, it's a 2002, so it's not gonna have no problems whatsoever, but externally, body-wise, shell is in great condition. There is no rust. The car was never driven in the winter. It was always garage kept, so just normal stuff. Wear and tear. Why do I have it? I bought it. I bought it because people who had it were going to a restaurant, to a nice party, and their radiator leaked. They didn't know about it, and they wasted the engine. So the engine does not work, does not turn on this car. Everything else works just fine, provided it's 2002, so certain things don't work, but most work just no problem. Little things that can be taken care of. The interior on the car is white. It's in great shape, but because it's white, it's white. I do have a replacement, so this interior is going to be black, and I'll be showing you that in a moment. So there are some issues here, like on all white interiors that have just normal, it's not white anymore. And I'll be showing you the black interior. I bought this car, which is a donor car for me. It's not a bad car at all. It had a small accident, and unfortunately the insurance company junked it. The engine's fine on it, sounds good, but there was a little hit somewhere, so this area is messed up. But car runs, doesn't have any fluid in it, any antifreeze, but it starts and runs. No check lights, no check engine lights, no nothing. So this is going to be the donor car, and we'll make one nice car out of two. Let's see. The roof works on this one, but the problem is this car cannot be fixed. So you can see that the interior on this car is, because it's black, it's in a much nicer shape, because you don't see the black streaks on the black. Black on black is always gonna win. And this car is a little newer, but all these cars, they're kind of the same. So here is my project for the summer. Get the engine removed out of this car, put it into that car, see what is wrong with the other engine, and get them, make 2 out of 2. So far I removed a couple of screws. These screws are from the front, and this kind of proves that there is no rust on the car. These screws, they sit right here, right where all the messy stuff comes in, and if there was rust, these would be very rusty. I mean, it's gonna have a little bit of something somewhere, but nothing major. I was looking for something like this for a long time, where somebody had burned out an engine. This is the absolute best scenario. Engines are available for these cars, but nothing else is really an issue. All right, thanks for watching, and more parts will follow.